Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Libras, for your general energies and for your love energies, Libras. So we'll pick few cards for your daily energies, guys. So we are doing this reading in a different way, Libras. So this is your advantage, whatever you have that works best for you, and this is something really useful for you, the energy with that card, and this is your weakness, so whatever it is. So we will turn the cards as we proceed, guys, and these cards are for what you need to do, what changes or what areas you need to change. So that is for that, and this is for your future, what is going to be the result, the outcome, guys. So we'll start the reading. So this is your strength, Libras. Hermit. This is something useful to you. The World. This may be your weakness. The Hierophant. Libras, the energy with this card is that you are a person of clear thought and clear action. You think deeply within yourself before taking a single step towards some goals. So, you are a person who guides others, and when you are that person who's capable of guiding others, you don't have to ask what kind of person you are in your own decision making or in your own life, day to day life. So you are a person who has a clear thought, and you do your actions based on that. So that may work to your benefit, guys. So in your day to day life and those decisions that you need to take, you think clearly and deeply within yourself and then decide. That works for your benefit, guys. And what is that is uh, working against you, some kind of disadvantage, maybe certain beliefs that you have. So certain traditions or beliefs, you may be rooted in a particular kind of a belief. So some actions or some decisions of yours may be based on that. That may work against you, guys. In certain situations you may be quite rigid. You may not be flexible to see what is the truth of that situation when you are based on certain conditionings, certain beliefs that you have after about certain things. So that may be the reason that that may work against you sometimes, guys. So that may work as your disadvantage, guys, Libras. And what is really useful to you? So in any situation you are able to find that balance, you are able to blend in that situation. So with that person that you are in, or with in any particular situation, you are able to be in harmony, and you realize your goals, what you need to do, and you when you decide something, you have that total satisfaction in your decision, and you feel that state of completion. So you what to say, that works for you. So you feel satisfied with whatever you are doing, and you get happiness because of that. So that works for you, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. So what you need to do, what is your what changes need to be done. So let us see these cards. Eight of Wands in reverse, Nine of Cups in reverse. So these are the areas that you need to change, Libras. Libras, the areas that you need to work. I was talking about beliefs. So maybe sometimes when certain decisions or certain situations that may come in questioning your beliefs or ideas that you have, some preconceived notions, you are feeling extremely guilty and sad because of that, and you feel your conscience questioning you. So at those times you should understand that everyone's beliefs are different, guys. So not always things will happen according to our belief and ideas or our preconceived notions. Each and every one of us has our own unique journey. So you need to understand that, and truth, each one's truth may vary, but you should be really flexible in any situation to understand the other person's point of view. Only then we will know what is the truth for that particular situation, guys. So maybe you need to change that. Maybe you need to change your outlook of things, how you perceive things. And also, guys, with this nine of cups are in reverse, there may be certain mistakes that you are doing in life that you need to change, or certain imperfections that you have. You may feel really stressed because of that. So there is nothing wrong, guys. Nobody is 100% perfect. We all have our own set of imperfections. We do certain mistakes. It may be not it may not be what to say, by knowing, unknowingly we may do some mistakes. So when those things happen, we should not feel guilty and sad for it. It has happened unknowingly. So we should be able to overcome that stress. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So something related to belief, or something related to your mistakes or imperfections, the way you feel stressed. So you need to overcome the stress to live in your present day happily, guys. So that is the energy here, Libra. So let us see what is your outcome for your future. King of Wands in reverse. So with this reading, Libras, the energy that what may come in your future, you will know your capacity, and you will come to an understanding. You may be able to establish that harmony that you need in any situation. So by understanding, by deeply having that clarity, just by changing the way you view your situation or the people who are involved in your life, you will get a better understanding of your situation, guys, and you will reach more tolerance, so for the people who are there in your life, and you may what to say, feel that inspiration to move forward in your life with that better understanding and clarity, guys. So that is what you will get in your future if you consider these cards, the energy with these cards. That is the outcome here, guys. So you are heading towards more clarity in your thought, a more understanding of the people who are involved, or any particular situation, and you are going to feel that harmony in your life, guys. So that is the reading, Libras. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.